Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. Distributive numerals. Numerale distributive. This number is a word that answers the question how many times each or how many at a time. They are contrasted with multipliers. In English, this part of speech is rarely used, but is clearly distinguished and commonly used in Latin and several other Romance languages, such as Romanian. Some examples of this type of number are câte unul, câte unul, câte doi, câte doi, câte cinci, câte cinci, câte trei, câte trei, unul câte unul, unul câte unul. Now, let's make some sentences. Ei aleargă unul câte unul. Ei aleargă unul câte unul. Studenții lucrează câte 6 pentru proiect. Studenții lucrează câte 6 pentru proiect. Ea a sărit scările 2 câte 2. Ea a sărit scările 2 câte 2. I used to do that too when I was young and jump steps like 5 or 10 at a time. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Also, if you can spare $1, consider supporting our project on Patreon. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing. Bye bye!